I'm Grace Kessler-Overbeke, and I'm the dramaturg for Digging Up Dessa. Dramaturg actually comes from the word drama and then turg, meaning worker, so it means a drama worker. It's someone who, as Rives says, is in the empowerment business. So I work with the playwright to empower her and later the actors to create the world of Digging Up Dessa. The world of Digging Up Dessa is made of so many things. There's 12-year-olds, there's science, there's mastodons, there's dinosaurs, there's fossils, there's dress codes in middle school, and all of that was really exciting to get to research along the way. But my favorite thing to research was Mary Anning, who is in so many ways the central figure in this play. Mary Anning is an amazing figure in history. She found the first ichthyosaur skeleton when she was only 12 years old. She made a living at a time when women were not encouraged to have careers. And not only did she have a career, she had an incredible career. She had 5 discoveries, each one which on its own would have made someone's work and legacy for life. 5 times over she did that. And it was such a privilege to get to build this world by building the story of Mary Anning. People say that you die 2 deaths. The first when your body dies, and the second when the last person says your name. Mary Anning, by saying her name in this play, it's like we're bringing her to life again. It's like we're getting to meet her and become a friend. And not only do we gain a friend in this process, but we gain an incredible role model.